Hello everyone. We have introduced TweetAttacksPro in our last video. Today, we will show you how to use the main functions in TweetAttacksPro. 1. How to import and export accounts. Click Import Accounts button. Here you can select an existing account category to store the imported accounts. Also you can create a new account category to store them. Now there are two ways to import the accounts. One is to select Import from TXT file option to import the accounts. You need to fill in the account informations that you needed in a file. Remember, each line only has one account information. When you want to import account with proxy or user agent, you need use the vertical line to separate them. And then select the import options that you need. The other way is import from CSV file. This way is to import the account's data which is exported from TAP to TAP again. So, it is very convenient for you to use these accounts data which is from TweetAttacksPro and TweetAttacksPro. Now, we select Import from TXT file option to import the accounts. After selecting the import file, and then click Import button. In the pop-up form, it shows we have imported 3 accounts. Here as you see. When you want to export these accounts, just select them. And then click Export Accounts. Here, select the account informations that you want to export. After finish it, click Browse button to select a file to save them. Then click Export button. Now, open the file that you just saved. Here is the account informations that you have exported. Two. How to check accounts. Select one or more accounts. Then click Check Account button. Here, you can set how many threads you want to use. Select Check Method option to set how to check your account. When you select mobile, you can get the data except favorites. And when you select desktop, you can get the data except unread messages. When you select the third way to check, you can get all profile data. After set all, click Check button. And then it will get the account information automatically. And then the account information will be showed here. 3. How to bind proxy. How to set global proxy. When you want to manage multiple accounts with TAP, you'd better bind proxy to each account. Because it can help you avoid multiple accounts are used at the same time and on the same IP. If you do not do like this, the security of your accounts will be reduced. And even they will be regarded as spammer by Twitter. Click Bind Proxy button. Here, click Import button or Add button to add proxies to the proxy list. Fill in the IP, port, username, and password information one by one. For some proxies, there is no need to fill in the username and password. Then, select the accounts you need. The account that you select will be shown in this table. Now, select the proxy that you want to bind to your account. Then click Bind Proxies button. And the proxy is binded to the account. Click Save button to finish all. The other way to bind proxy is to click Account Settings to set. Fill the proxy information directly, and then click Update button. In Settings and Help, here is a global proxy setting. Click Proxy Settings button. Here, you can have your own proxy list. Or, you can get some valid proxies from URL. You can click Check and Remove Invalid Proxies button to remove the invalid proxies. Also, you can select the Use Method option to choose what way you want to use. If you have set the proxy when using White Hat Box, you can click Load WHB Proxy Settings button to get the proxy information. The default setting in TAP is to use the proxy that is bound to the account. If you want to use Global Proxy, you need select Use Load Proxy here option. And then click Save Settings button to save it. 4. How to bind UserAgent. How to set Global UserAgent. Which mobile user agent is available in TAP? The settings and usage of UserAgent and proxy are almost the same. Click Bind UserAgent button. Here are two kinds of UserAgent. One is Mobile UserAgent, the other is Web UserAgent. When you select Mobile Site Method, Mobile UserAgent will be used. And when you select Desktop Site Method, Web UserAgent will be used. Mobile User Agent has some limitation in TAP. So not all Mobile User Agent can be used normally. You can use the Useragent from Windows Phone browser. Or, use the Useragent from BlackBerry browser. Or use the Useragent from Android browser like this. We have stored some available Mobile Useragent. Of course, you still can add your own Mobile Useragent here. And, you can use Test Mobile Useragent function to remove the invalid Mobile Useragent. (5) How to get the API value of the Twitter account. We have added API option in TAP's much more functions. You must fetch the API information before using. Select an account, and then click Account Settings button. Then open your browser to visit apps.twitter.com. Log in your Twitter account. If you don't have any applications, you should create a new application first. And then select an application which was created before. Select Keys and Access Tokens page. Now, you can get the API key, API secret, access token, and access token secret. Copy them, and then pass them in the account settings. Next, we will show you how to create and set task. Please look forward to. That is all, thanks for watching.